Here you go.
Sorry. You have cash?
No, sorry, I don't have cash.
Never mind.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It's okay, never mind.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
你们在这里做什么？
妈妈去做工。
Hello？
喂妈，你安怎放伊人伫楼骹？
啊，你才有晚才转来？
我爱做工咧，你知影无？
我嘛是嘛。
你放伊人伫楼骹真危险。
啊，好啦好啦，我一晚夜就转去啦。哎呦，
好妈。
妈咪要去找朋友，你们在车上啊，不要乱动啊。我知道我还欠你钱，不过你再帮我一次啊。
上次你还欠我钱，还没有还我。
你真的不可以帮我呢？
不可以。
Good afternoon, this is CPF Board. My name is Faris. How can I help you today?
I want to ask you something. I drive taxi and my license is going to expire. I cannot renew.
Can I have your name, please, ma'am?
Max 舅舅，你们小声一点可以吗？
Ms. Wong, I can see from your records that you have outstanding CPF Medisave liabilities of $3,000.
Yeah, I know. So much. Got to pay.
There are ways that we can help you. We can work out a repayment plan that is manageable for you.
What's your name?
Faris.
I don't have time already. You understand or not? I only got 2 days. I don't have money.
If no taxi license, how to try?
Every month I pay until I got nothing.
Ma'am, I understand you're going through a difficult time.
哥哥追了。
舅舅，发生什么事？
Ma'am?
发生什么事？
你推他的吗？
Hello?
你弟弟是吗？
Ma'am?
我刚刚跟你讲不要玩了咯。
先上去，阿妈在家。记得冲凉啊，不要打架啊。Hello.
Good afternoon, this is CPF Board. Sneha speaking. How can I help you?
I want to talk to just now that officer, Faris.
He's busy right now. Let me help you, Miss Wong. You have a vocational license.
And outstanding Medisave liabilities.
I want to talk to Faris.
Hold on 1 minute, ma'am. I will be transferring your call right now.
Hi, Ms. Wong. Faris here. We spoke earlier. I had a look through your files and I think we can make a case to the self-employed department. But first, I need to understand your situation. Can you please share with me?
I'm a single mother. 2 children. I am ex-offender lah. Okay? I come out, then drive taxi. Driving taxi is good. Can make money, help support my son's school. And my mother, last time she used all her money to help me. I know CPF, Medisave, all that is for my own good. But I just cannot save money. I got message, a lot of message from CPF. I know got deadline, I know must pay. But I was scared.
You don't have to be scared, ma'am. We're here to help. Lisa, I'm looking for Loretta from Self-Employed. I have this urgent case and I'm wondering if you could help. We have a CPF member who's facing challenging circumstances. We need Loretta's help to help expedite the case. It's urgent.
Hello?
Hello, Ms. Wong. I have good news. We've expedited your request and we've made arrangements so that you will pay the outstanding amount monthly through installments of $100.
Thank you. And my license?
You don't have to worry. As long as you're on this plan, your license will be renewed. If you need help with living expenses, there are a lot of assistance measures in place.
Thank you. Faris, Sorry, just now I yell at you. Yeah, I know you don't know me, I don't know you. But thank you. Thank you.
I'm glad we could help. All the best.
Jo 妈咪现在有 passenger， 你跟狗狗先睡觉 ，OK？ Good night, Jojo.
Pasir Ris Street 12.
OK。
Had a good day?
Yeah. Good day.